Do you remember or know what we would say if we were talking about volume? So not feet or square feet, but hmm? Hmm. So not feet, not squared feet. What's it called when it's a 3? Cubic feet. Yeah. So if we're talking units and we're actually labeling our stuff, which we might have, you won't have to do it for Delta Math, but if you do like a Go formative or something, you should label your stuff. You might want to label it cubic feet in either one of these forms. Or if I say cubic feet or cubic whatever, to not get freaked out. Okay, the first volume we're going over is the one we've probably all seen before. A rectangular prism is just a three-dimensional object whose faces are all rectangles, right? And the area for a rectangular prism is just length times width times height. And you can do that in any order, of course, right? It doesn't matter which one you do first, because 4 times 3 is the same thing as 3 times 4. You can multiply in any order. Where L is the length, W is the width, and H is the height. Here's how the examples are on Delta Math. A rectangular prism has a length of 6 meters, a height of 8 meters, and a width of 5 meters. What is the volume in cubic meters? If it helps, you can kind of maybe just make a fake little sketch here. That maybe. And it said height of 8, length of 6, and a width of 5. If it helps you think about the problem we're doing. I'm not the best at drawing. Oh, and to find the volume, we just have to do length times width times height, or 6 times 5 times 8. Uh, 6 times 5 is 30. 30 times 8 would be 240, right? And then what was this in? This is in meters, so cubic meters. Maybe we could do some stuff in the future where if we had maybe a right triangle here and we had this length, we could find the width of the length. Just throwing that out there, maybe with trig or Pythagorean theorem, I don't know. Okay, example 2, same thing. Rectangular prism has a length of 14 meters, a height of 6 meters, and a width of 20 meters. What is the volume in cubic meters? So we have length times width times height. We have a length of 14, a width of 20, and a height of 6. I'm not going to do that one in my head. And then that's also in cubic meters. And how you say it out loud is not meters cubed, but cubic meters. Okay? We're used to that stuff. A cube has an edge length of 19 inches. What is its volume? How would I do this one? What's special about a cube?
All sides are the same size. Same size.
Yeah, that's a horrible sketch, but all sides are the same size, right? So if one side is 19, then so are all the others. So really we can do that the volume is just 19, and if you want to do it fast in your calculator, just cube it. 19 times 19 times 19, which I don't know what 19 cubed is in my head. If you do, you should consider going to college for math, because that's impressive. And then this is in cubic inches.